I'm Professor Scott Wainess, and I'll be your instructor for MSE 606, Production and Operations Management for Engineers. Let me give you a brief introduction into this class and why it's important to your professional career. As an engineer, your primary focus has been on designing goods and services that meet or exceed customer expectations. The purpose of operations management is to deliver these goods and services in the most efficient and effective manner. In this course, we will cover a number of topics that will help you better plan and manage the resources necessary to accomplish this. So, what can you expect from this course? First, over 8 weeks, we will cover a variety of topics that are important in the understanding of operational processes and tools to make these processes better. Topics will include consideration of operations management in today's global environment, facility location strategies and optimization tools, demand forecasting and inventory management, capacity planning, and methods to measure and optimize your human resource assets. This course includes both academic study and practical application of the principles and tools we will cover. For academic study, I've structured the course to better fit the schedule of a working professional. Each chapter is subdivided into a number of short video lectures, 5 to 18 minutes in length. In this way, you can better fit your studies into the time you have available throughout the day. After each video lecture, you will complete a short quiz to reinforce the important points that were covered. For practical application, you will have the opportunity to work in a team environment and further apply the skills you covered in the decision tools, leadership, and project management courses. There are 2 case studies covering real-world problems in operations management. You will prepare a thoughtful and professional analysis of the operational issues and solutions for senior-level management consideration. These are challenging, but they will further develop your critical thinking skills and the ability to operate successfully in a team environment. You'll find the academic content and practical application covered in this course to be important to any field of engineering and will add to your professional growth. I look forward to seeing you in a future cohort.